people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So on this video, guys, I want to go over the new Goldman Sachs credit card. Now, you guys, if you guys are watching my videos, then you know I'm all the way into the shopping cart trick. And Goldman Sachs actually has the Apple credit card where people are actually getting approved for that credit card without getting that hard inquiry, which is, called the Apple trick, you guys. But the Apple credit card trick. Now, with this new credit card, you guys can get 0% APR for the first 9 months, which I think is amazing. That's like one of the biggest thing with them. They're giving out higher limits. I've seen some people say they got approved for $8,500. Some people said $10,000. So I definitely want you guys to go ahead and check them out. It's going to be a pre-approval, so they can pre-approve you for this credit card. But let me show you how you can actually do it. So you want to make sure you go to their website. So you want to go to markets.com, and then you can go over here to credit cards, and then you'll see like this is the new one, the My GM Rewards card. That's the one where I want you guys to look into it, but you can see they have other ones here also. But let's go ahead and click here. Now, this is just a limited time offer. This credit card just came out. So it's a limited time offer. The offers can change, you guys, depending on when you actually watch the video. But you guys will get 10,000 bonus points when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. So in the first 3 months of having your credit card, make sure you guys spend that $1,000, and then you can get 10,000 bonus points. So that's something that's really nice. And like I told you guys, you're going to have 0% intro APR for the first 9 months. And then the variable APR, the variable rate basically would be 14.99% to 24.99%. But let's go ahead and look at some of their rates and fees before we get into the application, just to make sure I didn't miss anything, like something may pop out at us. So we're at 0% APR for 9 months. So after the date of opening an account, we have 14.99, 24.99. Balance transfer. If you guys wanted to do a balance transfer on this credit card, there's no fee. And a cash advance too, there's no fee to do a cash advance. That is something really good, you guys. Usually if you have fees, they're going to charge you the day you do your cash advance. So that's something that's really nice. If you have a late payment, that's going to be up to $40 that they're going to charge you. So yeah, you guys, if you're a New York resident, you have something that you guys should definitely read. Every state is different restrictions, but if you're in New York, definitely go ahead and check this out at the bottom of the screen. But let's go back. Okay, so let's get into the application now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on apply now. Now, this should be a soft pull to your Transunion credit report. Until you actually accept the credit card, it's going to be a hard pull. So let's go ahead and see which credit card I like. I might just pick this one here. Click continue. Let's go ahead and put in our personal information. So they're asking for your first and last name, your email address. They want your phone number and then your date of birth. And then what you want to do is go ahead and check this box and click continue at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put my information in here. Now, if you guys want other credit cards where it's a soft pull, let me know. I'm going to make sure I pop something up on the screen here that shows you those other credit cards. But you can always let me know in the comments what videos you want to see, and then I'll be sure to make those different videos for you guys. Now, I just have to put my date of birth in, and then we can go to the next screen. Okay, so let's go ahead, check this box, and we want to click continue. But don't forget, you guys, make sure you guys read the different terms, your privacy notices, the e-sign agreement. Make sure you guys read all of those different things. Now it's thinking right now. All right, so now it's onto our profile. So we already did the start. Now we want to do our profile. So they want to know what's our annual income. Now, if you guys don't know, when it comes down to your annual income, you can include your income from all your sources of income. If you get wages from the full-time, part-time job, or even a seasonal job, if you have any self-employment income, if you have your retirement income, if you get public assistance, all these different things even if it's some shared income, you can include right here when it asks what your annual income is, because you do want to have a higher annual income, you guys. So make sure that you're including all the income that you can include. Now let's go down some. We want to go ahead and put our primary address in. So they said that they do not accept any PO boxes, but you want to go ahead and submit your actual address. And then at the bottom, if you have a different mailing address where, say future mail sent somewhere else, go ahead and click right here and put that address in also. And then you want to click on continue. But let me make this shorter. Let me put my income in, and let me put my address in, and then we can go to the next screen. Okay, perfect. Now we want to click continue. Okay, now they want to actually verify identity. Now you do have to put your full social in, so don't be alarmed. But if you guys don't accept the actual credit card offer, if you guys don't accept it, you won't have a hard pull. If you accept the offer, they're going to actually pull your credit, and it will be a hard pull. So let's go ahead and put this in. And they're also asking our citizenship, and we can just leave that at United States. Some people watch from different countries, but we're going to just put the United States in there for now. Click continue. And this is their terms and agreement. Now, don't forget, you guys, we already went over this already. We have the 0% intro APR for 9 months. We were looking at $14.99, $24.99 based on our credit. They'll let us know how much we're actually approved for. We don't have any balance transfer fees, no cash advance fees, no. Our late payment, if we have a late payment, is going to be up to $40. And remember, you guys, if you're in New York, make sure you read this down at the bottom. And also, let's look right here. Submitting the application and seeing your car offer won't affect your credit score. So you don't have to worry about getting a hard inquiry with this credit card. Accepting the offer will result in a hard inquiry, which may impact your credit score. It's no brainer, but the thought of getting approved for $10,000, why not try it, right, you guys? So let's go ahead and submit the application. Yeah, so I have a freeze on my credit report. I always keep a freeze on my credit reports. I already knew that they weren't going to be able to run my credit, but still I wanted to do the full application for you guys so you can see what the application looked like. Now, if you want me to do other credit cards, make sure you guys drop those credit cards down in the comments. If you guys need me to answer any questions, make sure you guys drop that down in the comments also. But I'll see you guys in the next video. And if this video was helpful, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and make sure you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.